just to make you smile, sige, I will take the challenge, but I also promise I will donate $100 sa ALS Movie.
So, kasi $100 pang donation.
300 na, 30 lang si Chris.
Of course,
100?
after this, I will
Kaya
take the
pa
challenge. I will also nominate
dalangat ang hinagay
3 persons,
Tony.
3 group of persons. And I promise na magdo-donate sila. I challenge my 3 kids, Chad, Hara, Kobe. Let's do it on video.
Gusto yung anak lang?
I will also challenge the birthday boy, Jong Hilario. And also, ito isa sa mga pinangmamahal na tao, Billy Crawford and Colin Garcia together.
Si Direk Bobet gali. Para kung si anak na yung challenge stress, kung Kobe, kabay sabihin niya ba si Colin?